to another video here on my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, hello, my name is Sheree Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. So this video is different from most of my videos. I do have previous videos years ago that were related to Avon. I am an Avon representative for those of you who are not aware. I do sell Avon, but not like how I used to. I used to really sell to a lot of customers. Now I'm just focused on me and my family and just using my own personal discount. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I picked up this campaign that I purchased for myself. Love some of the discounts, not all the discounts. I'm have to be 100% on that. All the discounts aren't really worth it, like no. But so let's just hop into it. It's coming depending on like how much you order, but this is the big old box right here. We have some new products coming out from a really great brand. I am actually going to be reviewing this collection, this new hair collection Avon has, and it is with a really great popular brand. So Avon have teamed up with the Chi brand. So a lot of you may be familiar with like the Chi, I think like Silk Infusion oil and all the other and the like heat protectant sprays they have and stuff. But I purchased all 4 products from this new line, and so here are some of the products. I'm going to start with like the basic stuff. So here is the shampoo and conditioner right here. And this is 92% natural, all natural. This one has aloe vera, pomegranate, and hibiscus in this shampoo, and this one as well has the same ingredients. But yeah, so this is a moisturizing conditioner, and this is a replenishing shampoo. So I can't wait to use these to really review like is Avon stepping their game up, because Chi, I know, is really great. They're really a really great brand, hair brand, and pretty expensive and up there. So this is an actual thermal protecting spray. I think that's pretty cool because I know Chi is going to do good with that. And then this is a repairing serum. So I cannot wait to use this whole collection. As you can tell, this still has the wrapper on it. I have not opened up anything. I wonder if this has a seal. Yeah, see, the seal is still on there. So I haven't tested, smelt, nothing. So when I make my video reviewing this new collection from Avon, it'll be my honest first impression review, which I always do that. But sometimes I'll let you know if I've used a product before in the past. But these, I don't know what they smell like or anything. So I'm pretty excited to review these products and see if I even can recommend any of them to you. But I had to get these little slippers. They're right here. And let me just pull it out. What's so cute about them? Hey. So these were so cute when I saw them. Like look at that. Wait, let me just hold that right. Okay, it says Slay. Slay all day. No, I'm just playing. But seriously, so I don't know if you can check out the detailing right here, and then how this part is made right here. It's kind of like an angle. This is like a suede like material. Is that right? Is that how you say that? That's not suede, is it? I don't know. These will be available to but pop myself an eye to purchase. But these were just too cute. I just had to get them. And this is actually the biggest size. I'm gonna actually you guys see, but it says extra large. Now I think I wear a size 9 now. I used to wear 8.5. I think I'm a 9 because like shoes been getting tight for me. But it just usually varies on like if it's tennis shoes, it used to be an 8.5, and I think it's a 9. And if it was heels, it definitely used to be a 9 or a 10. It just, or 9.5. It just depends on the shoe for some reason. But it is like cushiony, nice. But I will say these run small. They run small, okay? And like I said, this is the biggest size they have, and I feel like my feet is like literally just right here. So I would say go at least up 1 size if you do want to purchase this for someone as a gift or for yourself, go up one size. But these were tight for me, and they do look pretty big, you know, but they were pretty tight for me because they're pretty snug. Like the way they're made, they're pretty snug. I wish it was like wider right here, but they do fit nice. This is perfect for in the house, you know, or if I do step out for a second, you know, I could be like slaying girl. So yeah, had to purchase these. I thought they were really cute. I actually wanted to get more from the makeup line. We have a new makeup line. It is Avon and The Face Shop. They're partnering together to bring us makeup products and skincare, if I'm not mistaken. I actually have a free sample they did give me. But so this is from the Ink Lasting Foundation line that we're going to be coming out with. Actually, I think it's coming out next campaign. This campaign coming up, but I'll definitely let you guys know. So these two are foundations. I got 2 different shades. I wasn't sure what shades I like what will work with me, but this is a slim fit. I don't know if you see it says slim fit. They have 2 different foundations. This one benefits in so many ways. It helps lighten up like dark spots. It evens your complexion. What else? I think it's like a matte. It's a high definition foundation. Provides long-lasting ink-like wear. Now guys, I don't know what in the world ink-like wear means, but this feels so like you have nothing on. That's what it feels like. It feels like you have nothing on. Like, I loved it. I literally, when I first wore this is like my 2nd, 3rd time wearing this foundation. I actually have it on, but I do mix it with another brand because the shades I got just were not doing it for me. So I'm waiting on another shade. This one is kind of like really bland and dull on me. I don't know what the problem. No. Is this right? Yeah, this one. This was like really dull on me. And this is the N60. And it is, what shade exactly is N60? I forgot. It's, Rich Honey. That's what N60 is Rich Honey. And this one is Honey Deep. So this one's a little bit this one's like too dark for me. But it mixes perfectly with this L'Oreal foundation. Obviously, you can see how light that one is. And this one's in, Cafe? Yeah, Creme Cafe. So I mixed these 2 together and they mix perfectly. I'm actually going to go ahead and just take them out the box. Yeah, so this is the packaging. Like, I love the packaging. And this is what it has. It has a pump. So yeah, love the packaging. Way better than what the packaging used to be. I have a really old bottle of their old foundation. But this is nice. I definitely recommend. Like, I'm just trying to find my shade right now. We don't have samples, which sucks right now. Otherwise, I'll just purchase the samples and then purchase the full size. So, this is those 2 together. But this was very close. I almost got it right. This one, the darker one, does mix well with this one, so I can pull it off like this. But I do love it because I really want to rock the foundation by itself to really give its full review. Right now, I really can't because I'm mixing 2 colors to get this perfect color. So let's move on. The next product from the Avon and Face Shop, the Face Shop item I got was this Ink Lasting Primer. They have like 4 different primers. This is what the packaging looks like. So like gorgeous packaging, Avon. Like they've really came up with the packaging. Like I love the packaging. Can we just get on that? But this primer does seem really nice. Let me read what exactly this is supposed to do. So this is a pore covering primer, evens out the appearance of uneven skin tone and helps makeup last longer. So I think today was actually my first time using this. So I can't really speak for the pore covering thing. I mean, maybe it did and I just got a little bit too close to my pore with the highlighting products. But I love the texture of this Feels amazing. And I mainly focus this in my pore area, to be honest. Everything else I did use this Wander Beauty illuminating face oil. So I did use that, so just so I can use up my products that I'm not using. Avon did give me a free sample of another product from the, let's see if it says it. I want to say it's also from the, or if it's like the Body Shop or Face Shop or something like that. But they gave me a free sample of this new collection that's also coming out. So this is a natural spa from the Natural Spa collection. And it is the Black Rose Body Scrub Cleanser. So I can't wait to smell this and test this out. But that is what the full size would look like. And it'll be coming out in the next campaign as well. This is what the next campaign is going to look like. So this is what the book is going to look like. Now, if you already have an Avon representative, or you know someone, or you have a family member, you know somebody that sells Avon, make sure you go hit them up and ask them about all this. I do have a discount code that I will put down below as well for anyone who is interested in getting something. We'll have all these items I talked about in this video linked down below in the description box, so you can click on it and go check out the product and its full details, anything you want to look on, and the prices and all that stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this Avon haul mini unboxing, then just, you know, give me a thumbs up and let me know so I know, or just comment down below, let me know, you know, did you like that? Did you like this? Did you did you like this kind of unboxing? When's the last time you heard of Avon? When's the last time you seen Avon? Like, girl, I want to know. And if you are for some reason interested in signing up and using discount off of Avon as well, girl, then I will link my link down below as well. Or you can just go to my website and just click on to sign up. Yeah, that is this video, okay? So don't forget to check down in the description box if you're curious about any of these things. Don't forget to let me know. I would love your feedback on this video, you know, how you like it. I think I am going to still do the video anyway, because I had some really loyal Avon supporters back in the day when years ago when I was filming Avon videos. Had a lot of people viewing them and loving them. So I think I am going to, you know, it's only fair I bring it back for them, because a lot of people were just loving my Avon content. So I will be doing these here and there. It will be sparingly. It won't be every single campaign that I actually get things, but I might order, you know, out of like 2 or 3 campaigns at a time. So I'm like just crazy right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. Don't fret or worry. I have more Avon videos coming for you, particularly if you're only interested in Avon. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I do upload a video, and you know when I do upload that next Avon related video. So yeah, you guys have a wonderful day or night, and thank you so much for watching my video.